understand the next level, first how to declare elementary data types. So to declare elementary data types, we have a keyword called data. So data is a keyword to declare the elementary data types, data object basically. To declare the elementary data objects, we have the data is a keyword. So this is a keyword, data, colon, field name or object name, data object name, length and type, length, type, value and decimals. See here, data is a keyword, colon. If you observe anywhere in my syntax, in ABAP syntax, this bracket indicates optional, not mandatory. And this bracket, the second bracket, this bracket indicates mandatory. The data keyword will be used to declare the data object or variable. And the variable or object name or field name can be declared under the F. And the bracket, if you observe, there is a two brackets. One this, another one this, another one is a. Three brackets are indicated here. So these brackets are optional. The length is optional. It depends on the data type. It will be optional. And another one, type. So type is the type of data type to assign. Value, if you want to assign the initial value to the particular data object or variable, we will be using the value keyword. Otherwise, no. Decimals, F and P is a decimal point data types. So if you want to assign a specific number of data type decimals, like I want to assign the 2 decimals. Suppose you want to assign the 16 decimals. You can use the keyword decimals to decimal 16 to assign. So this is the syntax for declaring the data objects, elementary data type object declaration. So let's go to the same slide where we have the example for each and every object. This is the syntax. Let's maximize. Right. So number one data type is a character data type. So example for character data type. So we have multiple examples which we are going to discuss this. But data, the first one, data is a keyword. I am using data keyword, and here I am not using colon, and I am using F. F is nothing but A, field or data object name, and 5 is a size because it's a character. Type C. Type is a keyword, and C data type. Here in syntax you need to mention here data type also. Data type. And data type for C only it is optional, but rest of the things are mandatory.
The word type, is it a keyword as well?
Which one? Type,
So
yeah,
data
type
is
is a keyword. Yes, yeah, type is a keyword.
So
here, this is my syntax, data keyword. F colon are optional, it is not mandatory. So because I am declaring a single object, this is F is nothing but is an object name, data object name or a variable name. And 5 is a length, I am specifying within the bracket. Type C. C is nothing but data type. C is a character data type. Type is a keyword to assign the data type to the object. So basically the object is associated with the data type, with the size and the type of object. And A is a character type of data object, and we can assign value to A now. Are you clear? The first example with the syntax. Now next. Data A of 5. The second example. Data A of 5. I have not defined type C. Because character data type is the default is a character only. It cannot define type C. Anywhere in SAP ABAP programming, if any type data type is not defined type C, type A, or type C, anything, then it is nothing but character only. Default data type is character data type to SAP ABAP. Are you clear? Size is 5. I have declared the size is 5. Default is 5 characters can be stored in big. Alright? Now, next. So, data C. No size. Default character size is 1. So, in C variable or data object, I can show the single character. Default data type is character. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Thank you. And data AFI comma E dot. So I have not specified type C, but I have specified the size for one object and another object I don't want. I want a single value to store in that. So this is a declaration. Colon I am using. Colon is nothing but multiple data object declaration without data. Without repeating the data keyword, I can use colon D5 comma E comma B comma C comma, like that I can declare n number of objects continuously. Then after that, end of that particular statement, I should give the full stop. That is nothing but period and dot. It's nothing but dot. Are you clear? Yes. Next one is assigning the value to the objects. So to assign the value to an object, we have one is equal operator and second is move operator. So here it just need to be understand D equal to ABCD. We are assigning E equal to A because it's a single, or move ABCD to D. Move is the object, it's a keyword to assign a value to the particular object. This is, you can use like this, or you can use move also, or another one, move A to E. So this value to be assigned to E. These are the two ways we have to use to. This is one way and this is another way. And one more way is there, we'll see that now. Here, while declaration I want to assign the value. Data colon F5 value ABCD. Type C are not specified because it's a default. Type is C, character only. Default character data type, that's the reason I'm not specified type C. But I'm using one more keyword, key from the syntax, that is value. Value ABCD. Data colon 5 F5 value ABCD. Sorry, ABCD. And another one, Z value 5 A. Z value A. So while declaration only, you can assign the value by using the value E. After declaration, if you want to do the assigning, then you can use move or equal. These two are the operators. It's operational operators, operational keywords basically. Are you clear?
Yes.
So any questions from this?
None.
Good. So now we know that how to declare the data object variables. We know that how to assign the values to that. So once you assign this, and we need to see the output also, like printf and scanf. We need to see the output of the objects, right? So for that, we have a statement called write statement. So the write statements is used to display the output of the objects basically. So there is a keyword called write. Write is a keyword and object name, right? A dot write B dot. So here the value is assigned for only two objects here. One, two, only G and F. Rest of the thing, yeah, here also assigned D and E. So I can take write D, I can take write E. Instead of repeating write n number of times, what I can do? Or not, you should tell. Instead of using write n number of times, then what is the option for me to do?
Operational operator plus sign between the two variables.
Sorry.
You can use operational operator, which is a plus sign between the two variables. So write D plus C.
No. I want two values to be displayed output, but I cannot do the concatenation here to do that. I cannot add that value with write. See what I'm saying. I want to display the D value, and at the same time I want to display the E value also.
Okay.
So I have
D comma C.
D comma E dot.
That's right.
Can I give like this? Are you sure?
I'm just guessing.
Oh, good. Okay. What about Anju? Can you please understand the syntax which I say?
Oh, right, semicolon.
Yes. So what I required to use the write one time, colon is required and comma and dot. Anyhow, we have a write syntax is separate discussion. Why write syntax is a key role for us in ABAP, but we are discussing that later. But for simple programming, I just want you to understand it here. Okay. So basically, the colon, wherever I use in the programming concept, the colon will allow you to reduce the using that particular keyword. Reusing the write statement is I don't want. So how I can declare write colon D comma E comma and another one we have comma, another one F is there. I have Z also and that. This is a total program of this example. Any questions?
None so far.
Good. So now I'm going to do the demonstration on the same program. I'm taking the same program, copy. Now, so how to log in? You know that, right? Everyone knows. Have you taken the steps to log in?
No. Just one question.
Yeah.
He's gonna write.
Not right. Oh, he's not taken. Anjum not taken. How to log in? So I'll be explaining to you, how to log in into SAP once again. Okay. Then please note down that. Then after that we'll have. So what? Sorry.
No, he knows how to log in. He does not have the username and password. I think that's what he's trying to say.
Oh, not yet. He said not yet. Anjum said not yet. So do one thing. I have password. He has the password. Do you know how to log in, Anjum? Yes. Okay. No problem. Then I can go and log in directly.
Thank you.
What about you?
Yes, I know how to log in. You just explained.
Good. Right. Then okay. So I'm taking directly to log in, and after that we'll start how to create a program.
Thank you. So my question was, where is going to write the variable in output?
Write right? We have given. I'll explain that now. So I'm going to SE38 code. So to write all the executable programs, basically we are going to execute the programs, right? For all the demonstration programs will be executed. All these programs, executable programs will be created from SE38. And you need to go down step-by-step process, which I'm going to explain now. Okay. So SE38 is a decode where we are going to write the program. Please start with the SE38 and run with enter the SE38 decode and come to the program name. This is the area where you will be creating the program for execution. So here enter the name of the program. So the name of the program should start with Y or Z. So I started with Z, RA, my name of the program. First demo or demo data types. So this is the name of the program which I want to give. And here sub objects are here. Please see the sub objects. It should be source code to create our program. It should be source code to create the program. Okay. So by default it selects first one only. Don't worry. But sometimes maybe you may select a different radio button to create, but it won't allow you to do the source code. So I want to do with the source code only. And click on it. All this will know later stage, but we need to know first this only now. Okay. So enter the name of the program with Z and start with the Z and the name of the program. Click on create. Not allowing to create the program. Access key. So that is user not One second, give me 1 second. I'll come back. Okay. And we'll start with that. I need a key to get. Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Anjum, are you coming right? Are you coming to the match today? आ रहा है ना आज? सिर्फ 15 माइल है तुम्हारे घर से. The match starts at 1:30. Which match? मैंने पोस्ट को सेंड किया कसम से, और मैंने तेरा कल पूछा था 3 दफा कि भाई बता दे अभी कि are you coming or not. तूने कहा ठीक है. मैंने उसको आंसर दी. हाँ, अटैक बॉलिंग बिल्कुल. अटैक से भी पहले जो होता है ना वहाँ वो बॉलिंग कराएगा तू. वो मैच शुरू होने से पहले जो होती है बॉलिंग, एक्सट्रीमली अटैक बॉलिंग, वो करने वाला है तू. जब मैच स्टार्ट होगा वो तो फिर हल्की आती है ना, वो नहीं.
What happened? One second, I need to log in with a different server. Okay, this server doesn't have now access key. I'll be going with a different server to log in. Which next session they also need the same key.
Thank you.
They need to add. And you?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah, we can go ahead discussion because the guy is went for lunch. Okay, and it takes time to come back to give this access key for us. So we'll continue with the data type discussion. Okay, program creation, I'll give the next session discussion. How to create a program. But we'll continue with this discussion to close it. At least we can complete all the elementary data types. Okay?
True.
Right. So, Anju, have you taken this? Please take down this.
Hmm.
Actually, what happened, they asked me to check, but when I'm taking the last two sessions, I have taken that from my home. I have my own server, so I will be able to log in my server. Then I am doing the email. I have not checked my login in one day, sir. But I am teaching from other place. And other place, I'm not in my home place. I'm out of that. So I took the opportunity to take the session from outside. That's the reason I need to access those servers, not myself. I not access my servers without my laptop. Done. Very good, Anju. And both of you, please send me your email IDs. Request you to send me the email IDs. Hope I can. One email ID I have.
That's mine.
So, otherwise, please do one thing. This is my email ID. Test mail. Send me a test mail.
Okay.
Because I need to continue this discussion. Rama SAPM@gmail.com. Yeah. Please send to this. Both of you send me a text mail to this so that I can have I will be sending the data.
Fine. I'm just going to send you straight away.
Now, so we are discussing about the numeric test. So numeric text, which has been a numeric data type. Data AF5. For numeric, you can declare the size type N. So type N I am declaring. And this is assigning operator A equal to 1 to 3. This is one example. And second example, data B6 type N value. I am assigning the value in the declaration. And third example, data colon C3 type N value 1 to 3. D6 6 is the size type N value, the specified value to assign to the object. So wherever you are using data keyword, beside that if you use any alphabet or any word, it comes under the data object only. Then I'm assigning the value. And third example, I'm using move operator to assign the value. The declaration is similar to the a single object declaration directly data E5 type N and move 1 to 3 to E. Okay. Then what is the right statement of this? Please anyone put up the other you should. What is the right statement for this? So, where are you? Are you able to hear? Hello? Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm asking, what is the right statement for this?
Right semicolon.
Right semicolon.
A,
comma.
yeah, B, C, comma C, comma D, E
is the last.
Yeah.
Right? This is our right statement. So anyhow, I will be forwarding this, and you no need to write. I will be sending this now. Okay. The next data type is integer. So
excuse me, I'm really confused between integer data type and numeric text. What was the difference?
See, numerics is whenever you want to be, text come with the numeric. Text come number, you will be using numeric data type. Integer, it holds only integer value. It doesn't allow anything. And the size also very less. But number and the numeric, you can give the size 1 to 65,536.
Yeah, so numeric text. So we have a collected data type, C data type, right? That will hold all the alphabets, the characters.
Your
right?
voice is low. Sorry.
No problem. Okay. I said the first data type was character. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
That's used to store all the characters like words, names, etc.
Right.
Then we have integer data type that stores numbers. Why do we have numeric text data type? What is the purpose of this? Because in the previous slide, if you go to numeric data type, you only have assigned just numbers in there, right? This slide only here. That was the slide.
See, this slide talks about only character, nothing more than that. Okay, this slide talks about only numerics. So the numerics, what is the numeric text? So you can assign text and numeric also. But the difference is here, compare the integer and numeric. Integer doesn't have more cells. You can store only 3 characters. But when you come from here, you can assign, the length is very high, and you can assign whatever the value you want. So integer you can declare the size also for that. So the field length also can be declared over here.
So integer can only assign 100 value. Oh no, 999. Not more than that.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So moving to the next slide, integer. So integer also we define here, and the same examples, the same, but right statement you need to add to get output of all these objects. We only major difference, we are not defining the size for this. If you observe this data A of 5, it is A of 3, A of 5 we define here. Data A of 3 in numeric, in character also. But integer doesn't require to be, because it's a default size, fixed size. You cannot change the size also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So data A of 5 type I, A equal to 1 to 3, 1 to 5. Data B type I, value 130. So this is one example and assigning the value with is equal. This is another example, assigning the value in declaration part. And this is another example to declare the multiple data object with a colon and comma and assigning the value at the same time. And the data colon E type I and assigning the value with the move operator. And what is your right statement for this? So right statement, right colon A comma B comma C comma D comma and E. This is the right statement. Whatever the value is assigned to these objects, you will be getting output in after execution. Any questions?
No, that's fine.
So I'll be going for another object. So you have all the objects like this one. You need to understand the difference. Only the size declaration, and we have the decimals now. This is the difference we need to understand. So the decimals, data A, we are not requiring any size because it's a fixed size P. P is a pack. Pack is nothing but floating point. Okay. So A type P decimals 2. So I can assign the 2 decimals. So I am specifying the decimal number. Okay. So A equal to 1, 2, 3 in colon. I have dot. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 dot 5, 4. And the second second example, data B type P decimals 2 value is this. I have declared the value at the declaration part. And the third example, I am declaring multiple data objects with the same decimals and value. And fourth example, I am declaring the data object and assigning the value with the move operator. Do you understand? Hello?
Yeah.
And yes. Anjum say yes. What about you?
Yeah, I got it.
Any questions still?
No.
Yes. I'm moving. F is nothing but float. So float also fixed the size. We know that, right? Float also, it is a fixed size. And we have 8 is the size. Data A of type F, and I'm assigning the value with is equal. And data B type F, value is assigned. Value is assigned with decimals. And data colon C type F, value is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Is data type. So multiple data object declaration, single data object declaration with move operator to assigning the move. For this also, the right statement will be the same again. For every program, we need to be define the right statement to get that object value in output after execution of the program. A, comma, B, comma, C, D, E. Alright. So the next one. Hope you have understood all the data types.
Yes.
These are fixed the size and the right statement we should use. See, all the data types declaration and same process. There is no different. But you need to understand size declaration is there or not. At the same time, what is the maximum size, minimum size, and the assigning operator is equal and move and used, and we use the value. At the same time, how to declare the multiple data object with a colon and comma. That only we need to understand from all the data types. So as I said, data operator, year and month and format. Format is year, month, date. Format you should assign the value.
Ritesh, the size is slide, right? That will be tricky to. I mean, you just need to memorize those things.
No. Yes, you should require to be memorized. And I'm sorry, this is not required. The size is default. You don't need to mention this. And for date and time, not required to mention. Remove.
Exactly.
And the right statement same. And even time also, you have the time also. The next is time. more the prime size.
Can you change the format of the date and time?
Yes, we can do that. So when when doing the programming, yes, in UK they will use some other date format. In US there are some other date format, regular business time. In India different. India they will use date, month and year. So that's depends on the country to country format should be changed. So that can be possible to do that. Okay. So that is the back-end job is the same. Back-end job is a year, month and date only. But as the ABAPer will change that format to end user to be displayed as per the country specific format. Okay. The time is the same format, and the next one is hexadecimals. So hexadecimals, data A type X, similar this is also, and you need to understand the size only here. The size I have not declared any size, but I am assigning two values here. I have not declared any size for it, but I am assigning the two values. Here I have declared the size type X value 1, 2, 3, 4. I have assigned the 4 values. The size is 2, but 1, 2, 4, 5. Why it is? I have a single, no size, single object should be stored, but I have declared the 2 values. Here I declared a single, no size declaration, but I have assigned 2 values. How it is possible? Basically, hexadecimals is X in data object field length into 2. Field length into 2 plus 1. Field length into 2 plus 1. So here it's a plus 1, so you have a 2 values can be stored. Here also same. Here 2 into 2, it's nothing but 4 will be stored 4 characters, and here 1 plus 1, it stores in the 2 characters. That is the left format, the table which I have shown to you in an explanation. That is that actually.
And then how often do we use hexadecimal in programming?
So one second. Here it is 1, 2 into 2, and the field length 2 into field length, 2 into field length. That is the output length basically. Okay. This is about the hexadecimals. So these are the predefined data objects declaration. System defined or predefined data object declaration. Are you clear, Anjum?
Hitesh, how often do we use hexadecimal in our programming, day-to-day programming?
So see, basically wherever you want the hexadecimals operators to be values to be displayed, you will be using. But it's very rare. As you ask the question, for that answer is very rare cases in the programming using hexadecimal declarations.
I don't think I have the hexadecimal concept properly, so I'll read some explanation on hexadecimal data types, and then probably it'll make more sense. I know this is slightly confusing because I don't know. In our school days, I remember doing something with hexadecimal, and then completely after that, I didn't touch it.
Yeah. See, in my programming till now, I have done 20 years experience. We have not used hexadecimals to do the program. Then you should understand. Concept is existed. Concept is following this long. Concept never went out. But the concept will be built in every programming concept. But depends on the requirement, may using, may not using. That's what I can say.
Right.
We'll discuss that, deeply if I want. You can have refer yourself first. Then if you have a query still, then we'll discuss it.
Sure.
Okay. Right. So this is what I want to share about the system-defined element elementary data types. System-defined elementary data types are predefined elementary data types. Data types, system-defined elementary. Data types, system-defined structure. These two we are aware now. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So next session will start from this. Before starting this, we need to complete the demonstration with this, with the example that I have stated. Then we'll move forward for the next list.